Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to refund Godaddy domain, guys. So first of all, you need to log into your account and then you need to click contact us on the top right side and you need to click chat now. So at the moment, I'm not going to really chat with Godaddy, but I will tell you what you should write to them. So first of all, you can write hello inside the chat and they will give you this list. You need to select the topic. For example, at the moment, we are going to refund the domain name. So we will select domain here and you will explain your issue that you bought domain and you changed your mind or something, guys, and you want to request the refund and they will help you to do it. So first of all, they will do some verification steps. They will ask you to write your customer number, which is here. When you click your profile name on the top right, you will see your customer number. So they will ask you to send this customer number and also they will ask you to send the PIN, guys. To check the PIN, you need to click this view button and you will check your account PIN code. So you need to send your customer number and PIN code to go through verification. So after they will verify your identity, they will ask you to delete the specific product, so in this case domain you want to refund, guys. So you need to delete your domain first. You need to click your profile name on the top right, go to renewals and billing right here. From this list you need to find the product, or in this case domain, you want to refund. You need to click the three dots and here will be delete my domain button, but as you can see there is not this option in the list, so we need to turn off the auto renewals first. So you need to click these three dots and you need to turn off auto renew first, cancel renewal. And once you will cancel the auto renew option, you need to click these three dots again and select delete my product, and you will delete your product. So after you will delete your product, you will continue chatting with their support. You will tell that you deleted your domain name, and now they will ask you, do you want your money back on your debit or credit card, or you want this money on Godaddy balance, guys? So you will choose between these two options. If you want to take your money back to your credit card, this will take you around 7 business days. But if you want to refund this money to your Godaddy balance, they will immediately deposit this money to your Godaddy account balance, and you will be able to buy any other Godaddy product with this money. So it's up to you. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.